Welcome to Keoladeo Bird Sanctuary at Bharatpur, Rajasthan once again. This is my second visit to this incredible park for 4 days in mid-February 2024. I have been welcomed by this lovely juvenile painted stork near Nil Tal. Last year I was here during January and have prepared a video on 15 key locations where we can capture the beauty of this park. If you have not seen the video, please do so for continuity of this story. I have put the link in the description box. This time I try to add few more locations plus a half-day trip to Chambal River, focusing mainly on Gharials and Skimmers. Here is a quick 1-minute recap from my last visit in January 2023. There is a marginal increase in entry-level ticket price from last year. There is a big change while you hire a e-rickshaw. If you are accompanying with a person and hire a e-rickshaw, you have to take a guide and it's mandatory. The rates are mentioned in the fact sheet. All cycle rickshaws are being replaced by e-rickshaw. However, guide is not mandatory if you take a cycle. Also, they have not asked for any ID card while taking a cycle like last year. I have discussed my favorite 15 locations in my earlier video from last year. Let's start with a new 16th spot. I named it as Antelope Point. However, it's also famous for golden jackal and spotted deer. While coming from main gate all the way to Darter Point, just before you reach second canteen or Darter Pool, you have to turn right towards Agharpur. The Google Map location is there in the description box. You have to be there very early in the morning and wait for a signature shot of a deer or a golden jackal, having a background of blue haze forest road. It's always my dream shot. The 17th point is close to Saras Point, which was location number 9. If you are coming from location 14, that is Kingfisher Point, you have to turn right and go 200 meters further and keep checking your right side grassland. I found Saras here all 3 days during my visit in the morning time. Google location is there in the description box. Location 18th is the watchtower next to Darter Point. The watchtower next to Keoladeo Shiv temple is different. For this one, you have to go to the other side of the darter pool. We found three brown fish owl in a nest, which is in middle of a water body, so the babies were safe from the visitors. Few parakeet and a shikra was also spotted near the watchtower. That's it for the new locations in Bharatpur for the time being. We'll come to Chambal River a little later. Now here are my favorite shot from this visit covering scenic landscape like Nil Tal, Sapan Mori, or the famous data point where all action happens. Renowned photographers from all around India and world come here to take signature shots of darter toppling a fish or a big capture of great cormorant. The area is heart of Bharatpur Sanctuary. let's discuss about the trip to Chambal River. The nearest point in Chambal River is around 1.5 hour driving distance from Bharatpur. It's next to Dholpur town on the state border between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The river is the border and we can access the river from both sides of the state. Our driver suggested to cross the river and access from Madhya Pradesh side as the prices are little cost effective under MP tourism. The exact location is there in the description box. The cab charges is rupees 4,000 for half a day trip from Bharatpur. We preferred afternoon as it's ideal to take the boat just before sunset to experience the golden light. The boat charge and admission will cost us around 2,000 rupees for 2 person for an hour boat ride. There is an option to take 30-minute ride but would suggest for at least an hour boat ride. It's critical to choose the exact time to experience the best light in the evening. All boats here are motorized, so travel time between the spots will be shorter. Please note this place is famous for revival of critically endangered gharials since last 50 years. Skimmers are also plenty in this area.